So for example, I can say to Hermes, okay, based on my Obsidian Vault, give me some ideas on what I should automate today. And then Hermes is now going to start thinking and start working for us, right? Now, in the meantime, let's also go through here. So we've talked about the Obsidian Vault and the memory. We've talked about the Agentic OS with our AI agents. We've talked about why you would do that. It's just not even comparable to the terminal, right? And I've also shown you how to set this up directly here. Now you can see here it says, based on the Obsidian Vault, it's going to come back to us in a second on that. Now you can see here it's looking through my memories, looking for my ideas, etc. It's hosted it locally, which is awesome. So I can just use this kind of like a website. I can bookmark it and come back to it later, which is great. And also because it's hosted locally, you don't want to host this sort of stuff on the cloud when it has so much information about you, who you are, etc. Now, if we go back over here, this is pretty cool. So it's looked at my vaults across Goldie Agency, they are profitable in the community, my Hermes work, etc. And here's where your automation would move the needle today, right? It's like, here's some stuff you could do. Here's what you can set up. Here's how you could grow, etc. Here's some quick wins for you as well. And so it's offered ideas that are actual, very useful, beautiful ideas that I can implement today, right? I could just take one of those and say, just go off and do this, right? And it will just build it for me locally in the same way that I've built this whole Agentic OS. And that's the power of agents, really. It's really a level up. And bear in mind, like 99% of people have never used AI properly, right? Especially in this sort of context. So let alone building an Agentic OS. So if you understand how to use and build this stuff and how to operate it, like you are ahead of everyone. Imagine how powerful you could be if you've got 3 AI agents working in parallel like this. They all have context of you, your business, and they know exactly what to automate every single day. Amazing.